Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing good, right? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face. Recently, I have made purchases on Amazon Fresh. These are the 1 rupee products I have purchased. On 1500 purchase, you'll be getting 200 cashback as shown in the picture. This is ice cream vanilla tub as you see in the picture. Have purchased it for 119 rupees. The MRP is 135 rupees. 700 grams. I'm a bit disappointed with the delivery because there's no grocery bag. They'll put all the items at your doorstep and you have to pick it up. But the delivery from the Amazon Fresh is prompt according to the time slot you choose. Because summer I have ordered vanilla ice cream, right? If you also want to order, you can. And the next product is this is raw mango because it is mango season. 24 rupees, 500 grams. And the other type of mango I've purchased here is kg, costs 60 rupees. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies 1. Thank you. Thanks a lot. This is cooking oil. I have purchased it for 168 rupees. The MRP is 199 rupees. You will get 10% off if you use Access card, and free delivery also is available for all the Prime members. Now I'll show you how you can order. Go to Amazon app, click on Amazon Fresh as shown in the picture. Then the screen appears in this way. You'll find fresh deals at 1 rupee. Click on it and add to cart all the 1 rupee items because they are only pantry and veggies most probably. And here you can check out the Supersaver store 100 top deals. You can check out with the 20 rupees store also as shown in the picture. All the fruits and vegetables are available in that store. You can click on it and buy whatever you want. Next, coming to this blockbuster deals, you have many pantry items over there. There is separate section called the summer store as shown in the picture. They include ice cream, cold beverages and fruits. These were some of the deals I picked to purchase. Again, I repeat the offer details. Make 1500 purchase on Amazon Fresh, including 1 rupee products, and get 200 cashback. Free delivery is available if you use Access card. You'll be getting 10% off. That's it. Happy Amazon Fresh buy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1. If you got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I'll help you out with the offer details again. Keep smiling.